Hey y'all, this farmhouse is kicking my ass. I'm gonna have to fight back. I'm Mike Johnson, that's my wife Allison, and our son Caden. And we just bought an 120-year-old farmhouse on 15 acres. We set this channel up so that you can follow us on our journey to renovate this property into a retreat that our family and friends can enjoy for decades to come. But I gotta warn you, there will be challenges, and this won't be easy.
And whoa, look at that.
But then again, what worth having is easy. So hit the subscribe button, and we'll bring you along every step of the way. Let's go. All right, so we're making some progress with our demo. As you can see in the bedroom, we got pretty much all the ceilings torn out. We got pretty much mostly all the drywall or plasterboard torn out. Got some spots above the window I need to do and below. But for the most part, we're making some progress. We're starting to see some studs. And as you can see, there's a mixture of quality of the studs, which tells you that this house has likely been worked on multiple times throughout its 120-year history. If you look up there, you can see the subfloor has some stains. There likely has been water damage over the years in this area up in the attic. All this stuff is going to come out and be replaced anyway. But you can see some pretty healthy studs in most of the framing in this house. So luckily we'll be able to preserve some of these studs or reuse them in certain situations. So that's good. As you can see, I have a huge pile of debris here. And this is because we do not have a dumpster yet, because we are going to be doing this tear out, on weekends for the most part, because we work full time. And the dumpsters that you rent for construction sites, a lot of times, at least from what we've seen so far, they like to come out and drop the dumpster off and pick it up normally for 10 to 14 days. And if you start to leave it for a period of time beyond that, it starts to get expensive. So we're trying to get as much stuff torn out in the house as possible before we actually have to order the dumpster, so that when we do order the dumpster, all we got to do is fill up all this debris and we can take care of that within the 10 to 14 day time frame that the dumpsters have. So, and got all the carpet up in the entryway, and we got the front wall of the living room pretty torn out. Still got to get these walls over here and this ceiling over here as well. But good amount of progress on tear out so far. So this is going to be a slow process for us, since we are pretty much weekend warrior in this thing. So yeah, we're going to take it one hammer swing and one day at a time. By the way, look at that hole right there up into the attic. Interesting, right? Pretty cool. Not.
Click that subscribe button.